Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now coming to you from a very nice vehicle, a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. That is right folks, Skyway Classics has done it again with a very nice restoration of the 79 Trans Am. But this is not just your ordinary Trans Am. Going into the details now, featuring the black exterior. Of course you can see it has all the gold decals, including the bird on the front, stripes in the back. It does have that gold aluminum wheels with the fresh BF Goodrich tires, white lettering. Also, you can see the one best thing about it is a T-top vehicle. As moving on to the inside now, featuring the black interior. As you can see, we have that nice gold coming across the cluster there. Tilt wheel steering. You also have the cloth bucket seats, fresh door panels. As you can see, everything on it is pristine. You even have the old school two-knob radio, Delco FM and AM. Power locks, the adjustable mirror on the driver's side. One of the really rarest things about this car is the fact that it has the Hurst dual gate shifter. Not really something you saw in the Trans Am, but this is what's making it a special edition. Moving on to the hood underneath, featuring the actual 6.6 liter. The reason we can tell by that is the fact that it has the K code on it. I did also know that when we pulled the gas tank from under this car, it did have the original build sheet underneath, and it was definitely a very well done restoration by Skyway Classics. If you'd like to see more cool cars, especially ones like this, please visit our website. Take a look at our YouTube page, or anything on our channel, really. You'll be quite surprised what we have. But other than that, we're just going to cruise a little bit and then turn around and get her up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.